Hello dear students, I hope all of you are fine, and in our previous video we learnt about the exercises of our lesson 1, and I hope all of you have gone through those things and you did it very well. And I once again I make a suggestion to you, please all of you try to learn those answers in a proper way and try to keep them in your memory. And today's video we will try to discuss about the landform. So what is landform, how they are created, and uh, and what is their importance for us, all those things we will study in this topic. So however, let us try to know about this meaning of the word landform. Try to listen me carefully and try to know it. You know, our earth is a planet, and basically our earth is divided into two parts. One is your water part, and another is your land part. So the water part is called the hydrosphere, or water part, as they are all called the ocean, seas and all, and the other part is your land part. Land part is divided into different continents and like that way. So on the surface of the earth, on the face of the earth, whatever that we see is called the land form. On the land area, we can see the mountain, we can see the valleys. Perhaps some of you know that valleys means that is the lowland between the two mountain, and similarly there are certain plain lands, and you can see some plateau lands. Plateau land means what? That are this table like land. Okay, so both the side there will be high wall like things, and on the top there will be plain. So that type of a pointless, I mean a plain topped mountain is called a plateau. And similarly you can see the desert, islands, all these are found on the face of the earth, and they all are called the landforms. And in this topic we will mainly discuss about how they are formed, what are the landform, and how they are formed, how they are created on the face of the earth. All that we will discuss. So in the beginning, it is, you can see, it is all this is because all these are formed because of the tectonic activity. You please try to see there, tectonic activity. So the meaning of the word is also given there. Tectonic activity means the interaction between huge slab of lithosphere is called tectonic activity. So tectonic plate is given, so I have made it. It is the interaction that acting. That's this. Please try to understand this one. What happens? The whole of the earth's surface is divided into different tectonic plates. The land surface is divided into tectonic plate, and they move towards each other. Sometimes they move away from one another, and like that way they are not in a constant position. They are always changing. So because of this tectonic activity, these landforms are mainly created. However, if we meet in the classes, I will show you how these tectonic plates move towards each other through your smart board. I can show you, but here in this video it is not possible for us to show you this tectonic activity. But you can also refer to some of the YouTube video of tectonic movement, and you can see how the earth surface, the part of the earth surface is moving towards each other, and how they are changing, how the volcanoes are coming up, and how the earthquake are taking place. All these things can be explained in that YouTube videos, and but here it is there is no chance for me to show you. Then if you get a chance, then you please try to search in the Google and try to see how the tectonic plates move, movement of the tectonic plates. You can ask in the Google, and you can see those things. If possible, you please see. Otherwise, I will show you in the smart board whenever we meet in the class very soon. So, however, you try to understand this much today, and you try to learn today that what is landform. Landform means nothing but all that things we see on the surface of the earth. For example, your mountain, your valleys, your plains, your plateaus and your desert, your islands, everything, they are all called one form of the land, one type of the land, and that is, they are all called the landforms in geographical term. So for today, this much you try to learn, and the remaining things we will discuss in the next classes. Okay, so thank you for listening.